Okay. Or we both hit at the same time.
Yeah. By the way, I'm gonna use C++.
Okay.
Okay, array of array products. Given an array of integers R, you are asked to calculate for each index I the product of all integers except the integer at that index. Okay, except R. Implement a function R of R products that takes an array of integers and return an array of the products. Solve without using division and analyze your solutions. Your solution is time and space complexities. The input like 8, 10, 2, and the output will be 20, which is a product of 10 and 2, and then 16, product of 2 and 8, and 20 and 80, which is a product of 8 and 10. Okay. Okay. uh, the end here I will have my draft. Okay, so what I understood from the problem, I will be given an array of integers, and I should return the output array will be an array of integers as well, but it is a product of all the elements of the array except the element itself at this index. Uh, did I get the problem well?
Yes. I think you've understood. Yeah, I don't think you've understood the problem.
Okay, and what about the constraints of the problem, like the length of this array? See, it's from 0 to 200 to 20, I mean. Okay. Okay, and I see solve without using division and analyze your solution as time and space complexities. Okay, first approach that comes to my mind is at each index, like here I have this array. At this index I have at index 0, I mean, I will go to all the other indices and get the product of them. Like I will have an output array here,
Mhm.
and here I will have like two loops. This is the first pointer at this index, and then I will get the product of all the other elements except this index. So here is the output will be 20, and then I will go to this element, but I will get all the product of the other elements, which is 8 and 2, and then the answer would be 16, and so on. The answer would be 80. But the time complexity of this solution will be O(n) square, because I'm using two loops to iterate over the array, and the space complexity is O(n), which is the output array.
Mhm.
Uh, should I optimize this solution or think of another one?
I think if you have ideas for optimization, you could definitely do that. Or we could implement the brute force solution first and then see if there's ways to optimize that from there.
Okay. Uh, mm, I will implement it and then I will think of another approach.
Okay.
Okay. Here I have result. I have which is r dot size, and then I will go through the array. Okay. Here I will go through all the element except the element itself. So from 0 to n, j plus plus, and I will check if I not equal j, so I will get the product here. I will have another element which is like product will equal 1 here, product uh, arrow of j. Okay. uh, okay, so here I have the product of all the other elements, and I'm gonna push it to the result product, and in the end I'm gonna return the result. So this is my solution. Let me go through the code quickly to check if I missed something. Okay, if I not equal j, I'm gonna get the product, and in the end I think this should work. I will run code. Okay, here and I'll just like uh, okay, and in the end I'm gonna see I'm gonna print the output. Oh, the array is constant, so I will not be able to do that. But I think it's a working solution, so I can think of another solution now.
Yeah. And if you call it from main with your with the case you want to test, it'll probably run.
Okay. Actually, I didn't want to do that before because of
You don't have to.
yeah, because I see it's a constant array. I don't know if it will work or not. Actually, I can see like
I'm less familiar with C++. I know the basics, but not much beyond that. So do
it's
whatever makes the most sense.
okay. We have answer which is equal to okay. It's long, not integer. Yeah, it's working.
Okay.
2016-80. Okay, let's think of a better solution. One solution is, but by this way I will use division, like get the product of all the elements and then get the division of it over the current element. But I have like one concern regarding these elements. Can I have like 0? Like what is the range of the element itself? Like arrow I, what is the range of it?
Oh, I just reread the input. So the max the range of the array length is 0 to 20. So there can be any digits in between there, but you can get an empty array and you can get up to 20 numbers.
Okay, if I have an empty array, in this case, what would be our output? Is it like
It
an
would
empty array as well?
be hmm?
If I have an empty array as an input, the output will be empty array as well?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I think.
Okay. Let's see the examples that we have here. Okay. I want to think of approach without using division. Okay. No division. Okay. And the time in this case should be like O of n, I guess. To think of a better approach. Okay, we have 8 and 10 and 2. case of 8, I want to get the product of all the other elements. 10, 2, okay. I want to think of a good approach. Let me think for a minute. Okay. Is it integer element? Solve without using division. Okay. Okay. Maybe I will think of using like another data structure or something to help me to optimize. It's like a trade-off. To optimize the time complexity, I will use another space.
Mhm.
Okay. What if um, okay, I think I can notice something here, like if I'm at index 0, I will get the product of all the right elements. If I'm at index 1, I will get the product of all the right elements and left elements. If I'm at index 2, I'm gonna get the product of all the left elements. Okay, so let's see if I have something like left array for getting left products and array for right products, and check if this will work or not. Okay, let's see here at 8, I mean if I'm at this element, the left products is 1. At 10, left products is 8. At 2, left products is 80. Okay, and this is a left product. Okay, let's see the right. If I have a right array, okay, here index at 2, I will have 1, and case of 8, I have 2. Case of 8, I have 20. Okay, and here to get this element, I will get like the product of the left, which is 1, multiplied the product of all right, which is 20, so the answer would be 20. And here we have 8 multiplied 2, which is 60, and 80 multiplied 1, which is, I think this is the answer. It's working. Okay, awesome. So the space here will be O of n, and the time will be O of n as well. But how I will implement something like that? Let me think. To get the left product, I'll just iterate through the array, and in the beginning I will push 1. But I should check. In the beginning I will check if the array is empty. I will return an empty array. Otherwise I will make these arrays. Okay, and here I will push 1, and then I will continue, like starting from. Okay, I pushed 1. Have 8. I will push it. Oh, okay, left. Okay, here 1, and then if I'm at this index, yeah, I will have something like this variable. In the beginning I have pushed 1, which is product, and then I will go to the next element, or no, I will start from the beginning actually. After starting from that, I will multiply the current element by the product, which is 8, and then push it to the left array, and then I will go to 2 and multiply 2 by I will go to 10 and multiply it by 8, which is 80, and push it to the left, and I will stop at this point. Like I will not go to the end of the array, like I will go to n minus 1. This is regarding the left array, and regarding the right array I have 8. I think in this case it would be better to start from the end to the beginning, in the beginning I have like right array size n. I will push at the last element. I will push 1 as a last element, and then which is a product as well, and then I will go from the beginning, from the end to the beginning, and I will multiply the current element to the multiply it by the product and push it into the right array, but in a reverse order, like uh, and in the end I will multiply the left array and right array, and then I will have an answer. I think this is my approach. What do you think about it?
I think it's really good. Are there any ways, so do you need to have two arrays? Are there any ways you can think of that you could only use one array to keep track of the work that you're doing?
Okay, interesting. Okay, here we have product equal 1.
Also, to skip back, it's really good. That was the comment that I should have started with. It's really good. It'll work.
I think I will do like I will handle both of them, like both of the
Mhm.
approaches in one iteration, like have a pointer at the first element here, and a pointer at the last element here. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Oh,
and
that's a really cool way to do it.
I have product which is 1. Um, hmm, hmm, okay. Uh, but you mean I can use like one array, like, but I can iterate like using 2 loops.
Yeah. No,
Uh,
you're definitely gonna do two
I was
loops.
trying to do it in one loop, and I'm not able to do it. Okay, if
I was
I
gonna be very impressed if that worked because I was like, I could not figure out any way to reduce the number of iterations.
yeah, okay, let me think of this. Here we have 8. Okay, in this array we have 8. Like after we got the left array, what should we do? Like I will have a right array. No, I will not have a right array. I will need I will start from, okay, let me see here. We got the left array. Okay. To have right array, I will start from here, and also I have product which is equal 1. Okay, and then okay, regarding the left array, I will start from the end till the beginning. I will multiply it by product which is 1. In this case it will still 80. Okay, this is left, but after updating uh, it will still 80, and then I will go to the previous element which is 10. Product will be updated, will be 10, and also product will be multiplied by the current element here which is 8, so the answer would be uh, oh 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 I think it's 2, not 8, not
Oh,
10.
yeah.
It's 2, so here I will have 2, and here I will have 16, and here I will have 16, I will have 20, so 20 multiplied 1 will be 20. This is the output array. Okay, what do you think about it?
I think that'll work really well and be really efficient.
Okay, I will start coding. Uh, okay. Hmm. Okay. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, why this is commented? I guess. Uh, it's like gray.
It isn't on my end. Um, I don't know.
Okay,
Is it being weird on your?
I, I will delete it. Okay, I delete the previous code, and I will create another one. Okay, result array is left array that we were talking about, and I have int n arrow the size for loop. The beginning we said before I will push uh, Okay, I will do something here. By this way I will be able to access the element by indices. Okay, so in the beginning I want to go from left to right. Okay, okay, it's like left array. Okay, okay, so we have product and product, which is equal 1, and we said before I will push 1 to the array, so result of 0 will equal 1, which is product. But this one thing I will check in the beginning, if if this n is equal 0, in this case I will return the r itself, because okay, let's continue. Here we have left okay, and I will have an index which is let's say it's L, and this will start from 1. L is a pointer to the current I mean to result, and here int I equals 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Okay, so here we have 1. Okay, and then product will be multiplied by the current element, which is r of I. Okay, so now product is equal 8, and I will update result of left plus plus. I'm updating the index will equal to product. So by this way I have 1, and then the product will equal to, I will have 8, so I will push 8 here, and then I will have 80. Okay, so this is the current array for now. 1 8 80. Yes, let's go from right to left, which is RR, which okay, now we have let me see, in this case I will have a pointer which is right will equal to n minus 2, because n minus 1, which is the last element, I will not do anything to it. Okay, and I equal n minus 1, I bigger than or equal 1. I will not go to the first element, I minus minus. Okay, I will have also product. I will need to reinitialize product to be 1. Okay. This is the input array and this is our result for now, and we are gonna update it. Okay, now I'm at this element, I will change this element. So here I will have product arrow phi result of r minus minus will equal to, I think it will be multiplied by the product. So by this way, let me see here. I started at this element and I have product which is equal to So 2 multiplied 8, which is 16. And then product will be, we said before it's 2, it will be 20. 20 multiplied 1, which is 20, which is the answer. This is my code for now. I'll go through the code quickly to check if I missed something. Okay, int r.size. If the array is empty, I will return r. And here the result array, if I'm going from left to right, product equal 1, left equal 1. Okay. Okay, here I less than n minus 1. Okay. Okay. I think this should work. What do you think about it?
I think it should work. I think all the pointers do everything you want them to do. Yeah, yeah, I think that should work.
Okay, so let me run the code.
Yeah. Also, in line 9, is the is the check.
I'm checking if n is equal 0, which is if empty. If it's empty, I will return r.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, I can make it by this way.
Yeah, no worries. I was like, that might be C++ notation. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. I will run the code. Oh, oh. Okay. Return. What is the problem? Okay. No variable conversion, constant and return r. Return r. Okay, because r is an it's integer here. Okay,
Mm,
I will do something. I will do something like this. This will return an empty array of the return type of the function, so it's should work now. A 20, 16, 80. Okay, let's see the other test. Okay, let me see. 84, 24, 56, 40. Yeah, I'll run the tests. Oh,
that was the one case I was gonna ask about. Yeah. The
okay. What is going on here? Uh,
mm,
Spec is empty. Oh, okay. Oh, if it's an, if I have like an,
mm,
if the array have only one element, in this case, the output should be empty array.
okay.
Oh, I
Mm.
should ask about this question, this edge case. So if
Yeah,
n,
that's a weird edge case.
yeah. So if n is less than 2, uh, if it's 0 or 1, okay. I'll run tests. Yeah, it's working. Okay, that was a good problem to optimize. Uh, okay, okay. Let's discuss